ladies, so today I want to try to reinstall my hair. I'm a wig lover, but I've never really taken out my time to install my frontals. I would rather go out to the salon or call a stylist to come lay my frontal. But I said, you know what? I know there are a lot of ladies like me that are feeling like, would I get it right? Would I get it right? Let us try. Even if we fail, we'll get better at it instead of not trying at all. You know, now in this Tinubu economy, you have to be very, very economical. But aside that, you might be in a location where you don't have a stylist, or probably the stylist you're going to get, you're even better than the person. Would you rather you lay your frontal yourself? So yes, let's go on this journey together as we lay my frontal. So this is the first time I'm doing that, and you guys stay tuned and watch and learn. And of course, if you feel that I would have done it better, please by all means throw out a comment so I can learn from you also. So I have my go-to, what they call this again, bold hold active, yeah. So I'm going to spread it across my face, and I have my sister here to also assist me just in case if I get it wrong. All right, so because I have my locks on, that's why I wore this. I did not mat my lock down, so they are just on its own. Not doing the bowed cap method, I'm just doing it my own way. Okay, so I've had this for how many months now, and I've never really used it. So let's do this. All right, so all right, let's see. Are you sure this is not dry? One chance. Okay, let me try and open this. Okay. Oops. All right, so should I put on my hand first, or I should just let me use this now and should I use it? Oh no, you're supposed to get me spirit and this thing. Let me clean my forehead first. Check here, you see it. You see the learner that I am. Okay, so first and foremost, I get to, clean up the areas where I'll be working on, just in case if I have excess. So I have a mirror here to help guide me in what I'm doing. So I'm going to bring it further so as my front head does not go off. So I'm cleaning off every form of debris. So I'm sure you guys will be wondering why this is dirty. This is my sunscreen, and my sunscreen is a tan sunscreen, so it looks like a foundation. That's what I have on. So, but for the purpose of this video, I will have to clean this off so that we have our frontal well laid. So one drop. I hope this is not too much, but this is okay, but I don't want to put it close to my hair, so that this is my small front hair where I just get like this. Now let me spread this one across, please. So I'll be using this picker to spread it across my hair. I think this is too much. When you guys are doing your own, don't make this too much like this, okay? some part, but don't worry, let me just go in with the second layer, okay? So this time around, it won't be too much, it won't be too little, it will just be the perfect size across. Can see this is drying up nicely, right? Aside this part, but we're going to work on it. And I was told do not put a lot of glue here, but we're getting there. Alright, so you can see we have our hair here. Our hair here. Okay. Yeah, leave him first, leave him. Yeah, come and sit down here. Yeah, sit down. Sit down now. Mom is busy, so sit down. I cannot carry you. Sit down with auntie. Okay? So, see our hair here. So I got this hair when 2019, right? I got this hair from Cuckoo's hair. Right now, if I try it, was it 2020? Yes, okay. I got this hair from Cuckoo's hair 2020. You see the good, you see why you must get a good hair. See, very nice. Let me go ahead and lay it, okay? Alright, so let them just see me to this part. Hey, Jesus is Lord. Alright, so don't mind me. I'm actually looking at the rear mirror. I told you so that I don't make mistake. This is my first time, ladies and gentlemen. I know some men are here, but it's okay. So let's drag it in. Voila. So we've done the first part. Let's drag the second part in. And this part. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright, so let me try and press this in. So that we can have that flawless finish. So this head looking funny. If I look like I'm making feeling funky. Nothing good comes easy, oh. This is my sunscreen. Oops. Steez. Askalabi steez. Ooh, skis. Oh my God. You can see I don't have those fancy hair. So we're going to do what we have. Oh my God, this is serious. Duty is pain, baby girls. I'll start my makeup. You want me to spank you, knee? Alright, so let me push this a little bit so that we can see eyebrow a big. Little bit this. So I just do a gentle touch. gentle touch, just a stroke for it to look like my hair across my eyebrow. Just a gentle stroke, so that I have this natural finish at the end of the day. It doesn't look like I actually did anything. Gentle stroke, okay? I'll go to the other side and do the same thing. So I'm doing this. This my makeup is for minimalist though. It's not, I'm not doing gang. This is like my everyday makeup that we're doing right here. So don't expect a pro. I need to remove it. Oops. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy. I hope I will not be tying this again. Let's see. So because I used a sunscreen already, I'm sure you guys are already noticing that my face, my skin is looking somehow. Yes, I already used a sunscreen. So I use this tan sunscreen. So I use it for like a base as my foundation before I go into, proper makeup. So I'd already used this. So you guys know that I used this first before I did my eyebrows. So let me try and blend this foundation that I put under my eyebrows, so that it doesn't, dry up and look too much. Walking like a turkey, walking like a turkey. All right, so let me spray. Let me see. Let me spray this. Let me spray this, and of course, alright, so I'm tying it back after spraying this. I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you. This is what I used. I sprayed on my hair after I removed this. So I'm taking it back. I'm going to wear this now. Nothing good comes easier. Now after doing this, I'm now appreciating those people, those stylists that do our hair. Now I appreciate them. So when they are charging 25k, 50k, me, I know that. But like I mentioned, practice make what? Doesn't make perfect, but it helps for you to get it right. So now, because I already have a sunscreen on my face, I would not be using this. I will just continue with the next step. If I was not wearing this foundation, probably I would have used this. But this foundation stains, you guys can see. So if I use this, I'm going to smear my face. So we're going to skip this process and go into the next process. So the next process is, I'll be using my Fenty concealer right now. No need for foundation. I'm using this. want any demarcation, I'll just use the leftover from my makeup and just spread it across my forehead. Okay, all right, so stay with me. Trust the process.